This is a Yale. It's a pin tumbler lock. Yale invented the pin tumblers. His father owned a lock store, 1840. So he was born into a lock family. He has lots of patents on locks. When I'm picking for a while and it doesn't open, I put my ear up to the hole and release the tension bar and see if I can hear pins drop. If they don't drop, that means the tension bar is usually in the wrong place, or I just change out and get a different tension bar till I hear the pins drop. I was using the offset diamond. Try my W pick, one of my favorite picks. Well, I think I'll try my S pick, see if it does any better. My majestic S pick. I can hear the pins drop. There's one or more catching and not cooperating. Use the ball pick. This is a Snowman. Sometimes it's picked, but it's not setting right. You can knock it down. Oh, I did it. There we go. Peace. Don't break the lock.